वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello, friends. Welcome to Season 3 of Sikh History Sakhi podcast. As always, I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed that a beautiful divine routine was being set in Goindwal with Guru Amar Das Ji's guidance, along with spirit of seva and humility. The foundations of Goindwal were being laid. Brick by brick, heart by heart, Goindwal was becoming not just a place, but a living sanctuary of faith. People from far off places were coming in to settle in and to stay close to their Guru. Houses were being constructed. However, as discussed, a challenge arose with increasing Sangat. There was a shortage of wooden logs for roofs, doors, and more. One day, Pai Balluji, moved by the quiet disappointment of the Sangat, approached Guruji with folded hands and said, My dear Lord, with your grace, people are wishing to settle in Goindwal. However, due to shortage of wood, they are leaving disappointed. And in their devotion and love for you, they don't even complain about it. If some arrangement can be made, it would be great, my Guru. Guru Amar Das Ji smiled, seeing the love of his Sangat, and then called upon his nephew Pai Savarmal Ji and said, as mentioned in Suraj Prakash, राज हरिपुर को जहां तह को गम नीजै दीरगदार समूजो निजपुरी अनीजै बेड़े बांधो तहां ते सलिता मैं डारो जाए विलंब न लाइए तुरंता तारो. Meaning, Guruji said, Savarnmal, go to the king of Haripur from where Byas river flows and arrange for wood to be floated down the river with the help of swimmers. Friends, such was the divine vision of Almighty, knowing not only the need but the solution and where the help would arise. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 1417. ਨਾਨਕ ਕਰਤਾ ਸਭ ਕਿਛ ਜਾਣਦਾ ਜਿਨ ਰੱਖੀ ਬਣਤ ਬਣਾਈ. Meaning, O Nanak, the Creator who made this world knows everything. However, Pai Savarnmalji, still not understanding the power of Hukam, with a doubt in his mind, asked, My beloved Guru, I have no money or no companion. How can I approach a king and ask for wood? The all knowing Guru Amar Das Ji smiled and answered gently, Have faith in the Almighty. Everything will fall into place. Soon the news of Savarnmal's journey to Haripur reached his mother. Anxious and filled with fear, she rushed to plead with Guruji. Dear friends, in those days, traveling to distant lands was not a simple task. There were no means of communication, only dense forests to pass through, filled with wild animals and unknown dangers. The very thought of it made hearts tremble, just like Savarnmal's mother. She stood before Guruji, her hands folded and trembling. She said, as mentioned in Sri Suraj Prakash, Ik putra muj jaan ke कीजै निच दाया जिसते ए जीवत रहे सुख होए अदकया इसको नहीं पछान कुछ बिरमाए कचाली मीनिंग ओ सच्चे पातशाह I trust you with my soul but I only have one son. I have heard that land is dangerous, full of goons, black magic, and unknowns. My heart cannot bear the thought of losing him. Kindly bless him, give him strength. Guru Amar Das ji listened with compassion, and then he gently handed her son his own rumal, that is, a handkerchief, and said, Almighty is the protector of all. This holds the strength you need, and let it be your guidance. But most importantly, hold on tight to Hukam and Akal Purakh. Where there is faith, there is no fear. He further told his mother, no witches or anything can ever hurt him. Rather, people will be influenced by him. Now, with faith as his shield and the blessings of Guru Amar Das ji lighting his path, Pai Savan Mal ji began his sacred journey to Haripur. Upon arrival, he found the entire city immersed in the observation of Ekadashi fast. Friends, Ekadashi is a prominent Hindu fasting day which is celebrated twice a month and is devoted to Lord Vishnu. Many people observe fasting and prayer on this day, as it is believed to purify the mind and body and bring spiritual growth. Devotees do not consume grains or anything on this day. Now, exhausted and hungry after the long journey, Pai Savan Malji quietly gathered a few dry sticks and prepared simple chapatis, unaware that this innocent act would soon lead to unexpected consequences. Soon Pai Savanmal found himself surrounded by soldiers. Without a word of explanation, he was seized, dragged away, and thrown into a cage within the king's palace, accused of breaking a law he never knew existed. Tune in next Tuesday to know what happens next. I hope this brings some peace to your hearts. Thank you.